Good morning everyone, I'm in Damansara, so I'm at restaurant Uncle Soon, Damansara. I'm here to try their ramen actually. This is done by a Malaysian whose wife is Japanese, so they decided to open a store here and offer affordable and tasty ramen. So let's go and see what they have, alright? That is Kentara, so here is like a parking. So this is the restaurant. They have many other hawker stalls also, okay? They are of course famous for their fried rice, so let's check out what they have. Parking is really very hard to find, especially if you come on the weekdays. This is the store. Oh, soup, okay. So this is a tonkatsu ramen. Come here is this is the prices list lah. Very straightforward. They have white soup and black soup. So just now I took the black soup. This is the small price and big. Oh, soup, okay. So this is a tonkatsu ramen. Come here is this is the prices list lah. Very straightforward. They have white soup and black soup. So just now I took the black soup. This is the small price and big. This is the secret sauce. A good bowl of ramen must have a good bowl of soup. So this one finished means finished. Cannot serve anymore. Okay? So if you want it, come early. So while stocks last. Something to sit. And that is the fried rice. I ordered the Goro ramen, so it's finally here. Soup is clear, it smells good. Served with egg. Noodles are thin, the thinner than the usual one that I see. Looks good, man, with the char siu. This is 15 ringgit, so let's try and dig in. Alright? Okay, so the first thing I want to try is the soup. Nice. Okay, it taste is good, smooth. So couple it with some of the noodles that let's try a little bit. Alright? Noodles with the soup. This is good. More of it. It's worth the price I paid. The soup is smooth, flavorful. Coupled with the noodles. Piece of char siu here. Char siu good. It's actually very tender, you know, the char siu. There's a perfect mix of the fat and also the meat, right? The balance. So when you chew it down together with the noodles and the soup, the combination is just perfect. The combination is just perfect. want to finish my lunch, but you know what? I'm definitely going to finish my food. And every time when I eat ramen, right, the most important part of ramen to me is the soup, and they did it very well here. So if you are around the corner at Damansara, come to Uncle Soon Fried Rice. It's actually a store in Uncle Soon Fried Rice, alright? And if you want to check the business hours, please check Google first, because they do not have like the fixed business hours. And if you want to come, please come early, because when around it goes at 3 and around 1 or 2, right, you finish selling, so you come early, alright? I'll leave the address in the description down below. So I ordered Uncle Soon Fried Rice set B, which is the char siu and normal fried rice, pork and fried rice, char siu fried rice. So it's genius. They give you this, you have the self-service. The moment it beeps, you go and take. So they can just focus on cooking, which I think is very efficient the way they're doing things here. Straightforward menu. Fried rice. Efficient as hell. Overnight rice, fry, that's it. High wok fire and come out. Really like a well-oiled machine. So this is the famous Uncle Soon Fried Rice. I paid 11 bucks for this, the original. On the outside, looks like nothing special. Not like any fried rice, I've seen. But let's just see how it looks like, the texture. I've never tried the original store in Subang though. My brother did and told me that the original store, the Uncle Fry, really good. So rice is not sticking together. Good sign. If you get clumping together means the rice didn't defrost properly. Let's try. The portion is actually very big. It's enough for one person. I can see why a lot of people actually come and order this. Really very big, a lot of the kinds. Oh, it's hot. Okay. This one, don't judge the books by cover. Then this is true. Fragrance is there. And let me try the chili together with the rice. The rice doesn't clump together. It has good mix of egg inside fried. Very fried nicely. Overall, it's a decent meal for lunch. I mean, I can understand why is it so popular, especially in other Damansara, like very hard to find things that is affordable. Or maybe I'm wrong because I don't work here. But to me, 11 bucks for this, I think it's good enough for your lunch meal. And then after taking this 11 bucks, you go back to work. So I can see why it is so popular among those working around here. As a lunch, to eat for lunch, I think it's okay lah. But if you ask me to come over just for this, no, I don't think I will. And nevertheless, if you are interested to try it yourself, you can check out the description down below. I'll leave the address there. Alright? This is Kenny here, and I'll see you again next video. Bye bye.